What is up, guys? Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, but in today's video I'm going to be teaching how to throw a throwing hatchet into a wooden target. Let's get started. For the purposes of this video, I'm not going to be really going all the way back there to throw it, because I just got a new camera and I need to find out how I can get the best angling with the best sound. I might end up having to just get a microphone, but we'll see. So, as you saw in my last video about throwing knives, you'll want to find a proper target. Go check out that video if you don't already know how to find a proper target, but we're just going to be using the same one that we used in the throwing knife video. Now for the hatchet, you can go on Amazon and you can find lots of different throwing hatchets and stuff. Pick any one that has good reviews. I'm not really sure, I haven't bought one in a while, but this is just a regular Fiskars X7 hatchet. It works. I might end up giving a couple other ones, but we'll see. More about that in an upcoming video. Now to start, this is the underhand method. I'm not sure if anybody else has ever done this, but I noticed that it actually works pretty good. So you're going to hold it towards the bottom of the hatchet, towards the handle, right above this area right here. You're going to hold it, make sure you're holding it straight. You're going to bring it back, and then you're going to let it go. So as it's flying, it's going to go like that, and it's going to end up sticking into the target. So you're going to hold it just like this, bring it back, and throw it, all very controlled. If you throw it like this, it's not really going to stick. It's not going to work like that. Same if you over-rotate it. That actually worked because it just bounced off of this, the handle, but you don't want that. If you over-rotate it, it's going to end up like that, and that's not going to work. Under-rotate it, and it's going to end up like that. It's also not going to work. You want to make sure you get it just right. You're going to get the feel for it after a little bit of practice. Bring it back, and throw, and it's going to stick. Now another common mistake is you're going to be holding the axe, you're going to do everything correct, but you're not going to put enough power. So you're just going to throw it like that. That is not going to work. You have to put enough power to be able to stick it into the wood. It also depends on what wood you're using. I'm using pine, and that has a very high sap content, and it's actually kind of hard to stick it, because this tree is old and the sap is starting to harden, so it starts bouncing off after a while. But you have to make sure that you put enough effort into it and enough force into your throw. It depends on your hatchet, and if you just lightly throw it, it's not going to work. You have to actually put some thought into it and make it actually stick. And now also, just a safety precaution, do not use a very sharp hatchet, because it does not take sharpness to stick it into the wood. With the sharper it is, it's just gonna start hurting you if you mess up. When you just start, it's really a good idea to slightly dull off that tip in that point, or else you might end up getting hurt. And you're only sticking it into wood. I don't think you're going to be hunting with it or something. That would be difficult. So you don't need it to be sharp. You just don't need it. This is a very dull tip. I could run my finger right over the tip of it and it's not cutting me. And also be careful, what's behind your target as usual. Just don't put a person behind it, and don't have some person hold the wood that you're going to throw it into, because that's just a dumb idea. So if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below how long it took you to learn how to do this skill. And I guess I'll see you in the next video. I'm out. Wait, before you go, also, I forgot to tell you, do not actually throw this at a person or an animal, anything that you do not want to harm. Just be very careful with this new skill you just learned.